Today we're making delicious and budget-friendly meatless patties. First, rinse 1 cup of buckwheat and cook it in 2 cups of water until soft. Let it cool completely. Meanwhile, peel and boil 2 to 3 potatoes until tender. Drain the water and mash them until smooth. In a large bowl, combine cooked buckwheat, mashed potatoes, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of flour, salt and black pepper to taste. Mix everything well until you get a thick mixture that holds its shape. Lightly wet your hands and form patties. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat and fry the patties on both sides until golden brown and crispy. They turn out crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Serve warm with sour cream or a fresh salad. Enjoy your meal!